Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking shift in the global financial landscape, China's digital yuan. Imagine a world where 38% of global trade bypasses the traditional US dollar-dominated SWIFT system. Well, it's happening. The digital yuan, or ECNY, is redefining the rules of the game, making cross-border settlements faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Here's the kicker: while the SWIFT system takes 5 days for transactions, China's digital currency bridge can do it in just 7 seconds. During a test between Hong Kong and Abu Dhabi, a company paid a Middle Eastern supplier using the digital yuan, cutting out 6 intermediary banks and reducing transaction fees by a staggering 98%. Talk about a game changer. Now, what's really got the West on edge is China's technological prowess. The digital yuan uses blockchain technology to make transactions traceable and automatically enforce anti-money laundering rules. In a project between China and Indonesia, a cross-border payment took only 8 seconds from start to finish. That's 100 times more efficient than traditional methods. No wonder 23 central banks around the world are testing this digital currency bridge. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. This move is reshaping financial sovereignty. While the US was imposing sanctions via SWIFT, China was busy setting up a closed-loop payment system in Southeast Asia. Cross-border yuan settlements in ASEAN countries hit 5.8 trillion yuan in 2024, a 120% increase from 2021. Countries like Malaysia, Singapore, and even Thailand are now using the yuan for their reserves and trade. And China's strategic planning is next level. The digital yuan is part of the Belt and Road Initiative, integrated with projects like the China-Laos Railway and the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed train. Combined with the Beidou navigation system and quantum communications, China is building a digital Silk Road. European car companies are even using the digital yuan for Arctic route shipments, boosting trade efficiency by 400%. Today, 87% of countries have integrated their systems with the digital yuan, with cross-border payments exceeding $1.2 trillion. While the US debates the impact of digital currencies, China has quietly built a payment network covering 200 countries. So, what does this mean for investors like you? This silent financial revolution isn't just about currency, it's about who will control the global economy's lifeline in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on how global shifts are shaping our world. See you next time.